wallabies!
Good morning everywhere! We are here on air at the Natural Reserve Park, observing the protest against the murder of the bear with glasses. We are going to ask the protestants about the situation. First, what's your name?
Lenny Andrea.
And yours?
Maria Jose.
Okay, what do you think about the extinction of this animal?
The situation it is terrible. If the conditions don't change, these animals will disappear in 25 years.
People don't really care, and some other people don't even know about this dangerous problem.
Some dumb people still think that the bear's claw is a traditional medicine.
Some others get them to take to the circus.
Oh, it's terrible! Hey! And what's your name?
Hey, my name is Ruben.
And you are here at the protestant also?
What the protest? The protest? Why?
About bears!
Bears?
Bears with glasses.
The Kukumari bears?
Yes.
Oh no.
And what do you think about this situation?
Now that the bear is dangerous, especially it's dangerous in the population zone.
That's true.
Oh, I have learned in the zone population that birds were attacked of different life or different zone in different people.
That's terrible. That is true?
No, that's not true. They don't realize that when they take them or kill them, they leave families alone and their babies protectless.
Whoa. Let me something. Wait, please wait. Yes, please.
You can say.
This is my hound letter.
Hound letter.
Hound letter in this from of Chile.
Ah, it's true.
The son of Kukumari's bear live.
And what
Okay.
says this letter?
Okay, did say, my hound who live a village of Chile. Chile told me that bear likes any two animal in the zone and it enter in the garden without any problem. What is the problem? The problem is economic problem and the security problem with the different people in the zone, in the population, in the population zone. But also they invade to the cornfields and here are occurring serious economic damages. But for that reason, I am in favor to the elimination for the bear in this world.
No.
In conclusion, please, people, wherever you are, take conscience about this problem and make whatever is in your hands to help them. People and animals will be thankful. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And that is all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.